Well, the 16th edition of the Indian Premier League will kickstart from Friday with a mouth-watering clash between holders Gujarat Titans and four-time champions Chennai Super Kings at the Narendra Modi Stadium in Ahmedabad. The 2023 edition of the Indian Premier League will kickstart from today from 7:30 p.m. IST. Well, it will be different from earlier ones as 12 players per side will take part in the pitched battle, with the impact player rule coming into play for the first time. The impact player can only be an Indian unless there are fewer than 4 overseas players in a team's starting 11. One substitute who can come in to bat and bowl. A team will have a list of 4 substitutes at toss. They can use any of the 4 subs as their impact player. The replaced player will take no further part in the match, not even as substitute fielder. Well, Mahendra Singh Dhoni, who maneuver his resources, having put in a lot of thought into his actions, might well make himself the impact player if need be during the chase. Meanwhile, 2022 was Hardik Pandya's first year as an IPL captain, and despite his flamboyance on and off the field, he did invoke a certain sense of calm in Titans' campaign that had an identical start to finish tempo, unmatched by any other team. Hardik Pandya-led Gujarat Titans will be facing a huge weight of expectations after clinching the title in their debut season. Well, celebrities will entertain fans from across the globe with their performances during the IPL opening ceremony. The 2023 IPL opening ceremony will showcase the likes of actress Rashmika Mandanna and Tamanna Bhatia. Singer and composer Arijit Singh will also mesmerize the crowd ahead of the opening game between GT and CSK, that is Gujarat Titans and Chennai Super King. The opening ceremony on Friday will be the first of its kind since 2018. The ceremony will be held on Friday, that is March 31st, at the Narendra Modi Stadium in Ahmedabad. The ceremony will start at 6 p.m. and the match will start from 7:30 onwards. It will broadcast on the Star Sports Network and stream live on Jio Cinema. Well, reminding you about the most expensive buy of the season, that was the all-rounder Sam Curran, who became the most expensive buy ever in the history of the Indian Premier League, and he was bought by Punjab Kings for a whopping rupees 18.5 crore in the IPL 2023 auction. Notably, IPL franchise spent big ahead of the 2023 season, and there were many costly buys in the auction in Kochi. Well, are you too excited about the IPL 2023? Do let us know in the comment section below. But before that, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to One India News.